It's my Australia haul with all the things that I bought. I don't tend to do a lot of shopping when I go on holiday, but this time I happened to do shopping because I happen to like things, which is surprising for me because it's not normal, because usually I go out and I'll buy like 1 or 2 things rather than buying a couple of things like I did this time. So I'm going to do a haul and I'll show you what I bought throughout my last day in Australia. Oh my god, I'm saying it! Australia. Okay, I'm getting too gassed. Right, anyways, let's get into the video. Right guys, so I am now going to show you the haul of the things that we bought. Basically, we bought a couple of things and I was like, well, why not do this? So basically, first on the list, right, we bought this bottle of water. And the best thing about this is, right, is glass. So I literally saw this and we wanted to buy water anyways, and I saw this and I was like, you know what, it's at $5 and that's like £2 maybe in pounds. Yeah, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy it, and it's a water bottle and I needed it for work, so you know, win-win. We bought a couple of things, so let me go through them. Right, first of all from Zara, Jyoti bought himself a bum bag, so he bought this. I liked a different one. They didn't have it in stock. I did ask Jyoti if he wanted to wait and he said no, so I mean, he's got this one, but he likes it, so I mean, it doesn't really make a huge difference if he likes it then. But let me show you. So yeah, this is the bag he's got. It's got studs on here. I really don't like the studs, but yeah, got 3 zips, 1, 2 and 3, and yeah, and you can adjust it, so it's really easy to put on, so you know, he likes it. And then what we brought was, so I bought 2 tops and they're from Valley Girl. So we don't have this brand in England, but I'm not even kidding, they have like the best clothes. I'm not even kidding, like, I've never seen clothes like that. And I walked into the store and I was like, there could be so many things I could buy from here. But obviously I had to limit myself because I don't want to, you know, overdo it, because you know, otherwise I'm gonna get too many clothes and I don't want too many clothes. So yeah, I bought these 2. So I've got this is like a mesh top, so it's really see-through, but I can wear like a black vest underneath, so it's fine. So yeah, so it's like full sleeved, mesh and cropped, but it's so nice. So I'll be wearing this in New Zealand when I go there. And then I bought this yellow top. So I'm in love with yellow, but the thing is, I don't really wear it that often. But I was like, you know what, this is like a perfect yellow for, like, you know, this holiday that we're going on. So this is full sleeved as well, and it's like what's it, it crunches up here, and then it's off the shoulder, so it'll be like this. And it's also, it's not cropped but cropped, so it's not too cropped, but this will be like the waist, and that's also, you know, stretchy. So yeah, this is, and it's like a nettish material, but it's like double layered, so it's really nice and thick. But yeah, that's what I've got. What else did I buy? Right, so we bought this face scrub. It's a purifying facial peel to renew and relieve a smooth, radiant complexion gently and effectively. So it's basically like a face scrub, and you just like rub it in, but it's not supposed to damage your skin, but it's supposed to open your pores up, and you use it once a week. It's like a Japanese woman discovered it. The healing power as well, it has some sort of healing power. But yeah, so this is what I got. So with this, it's $170, but we paid like 80 because Jyoti managed to bargain it down, and so did I. So yeah, I mean, $80 isn't bad for that. I mean, it could be worse. Right. So basically, I forgot to bring flats, so I bought some flats. So I bought these flats. I thought they were super cute, and they like got like lines in between. I don't know if you can see them, but it's like a velvety material, but they're really nice. So I bought these. These are from Rubai. So yeah, and they were like, how many dollars were they? They were like $20. So yeah. Oh, and these tops were, so the this top was like $24 and this top was $14, but I managed to get a discount somehow. I don't know why or how, but it cost me $30 in total. I don't know how I got the discount. Right, so basically the other day I saw a dress whilst I was walking past, and I'm not a dress type of person, but I saw that dress and I was like, okay, I need that now. It was such a nice dress, and I've never seen a dress like that. And it was like full sleeved, it had a v-neck, and it was really like, it was tight around the waist, and it got floor like, and it was puffy, so I really liked it. So what happened is that day the store was closed, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna come back for it. But I went to the same store but somewhere else in Westfield, and they didn't have it, so I ended up going back there because I checked the time and it was open till 5:30. So literally I had like 70 minutes to get out there, get out one mall, drive to 40 minutes to another mall to get there in time. But we did it, so there was like 15 minutes left, and I managed to get in and try it on and buy it. Right, so I bought this dress. I mean, how freaking cute is this, right? So it's full sleeved. Wait, so again they've got like the cuffed sleeve, and oh, I'm just in love with this print. Look how nice this print is. And then there's a v-neck, and then it goes into this like mesh, like, you know, tightened, I don't know what they call it, but yeah, this thing. And then it's got like 1 layer and 2 layer, and it's like it goes like this. But yeah, it looks super cute and adorable. So I was like, I could wear these with leggings with those dolly shoes, and it'll be like a bomb ass outfit basically. So yeah, this is what I got, and I don't usually wear dresses, but I really like this dress, and for me to like a dress means a lot. Oh, I also went to Sephora. So I use a Tarte face oil, like in my skin routine video that I previously posted. So I was like halfway through, and we don't have Sephora and we don't have Tarte in England, so I decided to buy it here because there's Sephora here, so I thought, why not? But they didn't have the oil that I usually use, so there was this other one. So it was a this is a limited edition one. This is what it is. I don't know if you could see that. I can't even see the screen, to be honest, today. Yeah, it's a high performance naturals, and it's gold oil. So let me show you. So this one is a bit more, yeah, so it's like got gold follicles in it, but yeah, it worked really well when I used it earlier, so I'm hoping this works really well. So I'm gonna try that again. Oh, one last thing that I also bought, this is like the last thing I bought. Right, because I tend to travel a lot. I didn't realize how heavy this is already, and this is empty. But okay, anyways, yeah, so I got this bag, which I found super cute because I travel quite often, and I have various things, like obviously I have my makeup brushes, and then I have my face creams, lotions, whatnot. So I saw this, and it was like $39 maybe, or less, but it was on for $50, and I don't know how I ended up getting it cheaper. Like I said, I was getting a lot of discounts without realizing I was getting discounts. So but yeah, this was, I don't know what store this was from. It was from, okay, so it says Strand Bags, so it's from Strand Bags. But yeah, so I found this super cute, so I'm gonna load this up because we're leaving tomorrow morning, and I might as well just organize everything whilst I'm at it because I'm gonna use it anyways. But yeah, that's what I bought, and that's the end of my haul. Hope you enjoyed my video. But yeah, if there's any comments about what I had bought, or if you had any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll try and get back to you. Yeah, cool. Alright, I hope you like this video. Comment down below if you have any questions. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button because there's going to be way more vlogs coming out and videos. I'm going to try and do some taste tests and you know whatnot. But yeah, stay fearless and keep going. Bye!